We're Miami Rise, a team of volunteers from Miami-Dade County drawn together by Leadership Miami. We chose to partner with the Opa-locka Community Development Corporation on their project to reimagine Alibaba Avenue. This is the first project in a long-term vision of transformation through the arts.
We chose to work with the OLCDC for 3 reasons. Number 1, community. The community is struggling, has a low educational attainment rate, and it has a poverty rate which is double that of the state and the national average. Number 2, transformation. The plan that the Opa-locka Community Development Corporation presented to us was very visual. It's a very positive sign of change in a distressed community. Number 3 is impact. We wanted to be part of a project which could change the narrative of a whole city and which could transform the outcomes for everybody that lives there for years to come. Our goals were threefold. We wanted to raise awareness of the city and everything good that's happening there, a lot of which the OLCDC are involved in. We wanted to raise funds for the OLCDC to give them the tools they need to better engage the residents there and improve the city. And third, we wanted to engage City of Miami residents and people from outside of Opa-locka in that community and take them there, show them what's happening and make them care about that place. We held a pub crawl downtown in the Brickell area. Opa-locka residents were invited to attend for free, and young professionals from across the city came to meet them and learn more about the city. Our Arabian Tales of Opa-locka Gala was the biggest fundraising event held as part of this year's Leadership Miami class. Willie Logan, the president of the OLCDC, arrived in full Arabian garb and spoke to all of the attendees about what's going on in Opa-locka. So the culmination of our project was Paint Alibaba. On April 18th, 2014, volunteers from across the city came to Opa-locka to paint artist Walter Hood's vision onto the street.
Today we're very excited to be out here and transforming Alibaba, which is in the city of Opa-locka. We're very, very grateful to be partnering with Miami Rise, a Leadership Miami group from the Greater Miami Chamber of Commerce to actually implement this project. Walter Hood, a designer, architect out of Oakland, came up with this concept of repositioning, repurposing, redesigning a major boulevard in the city of Opa-locka to demonstrate what beauty can be and how beauty can be transformed through paint. And it's so exciting to have so many volunteers out here, children, adults alike, in helping to get this done.
Every volunteer is actually in charge of doing different portions of Alibaba Avenue and painting different shades of blue. We have actually volunteers from a variety of companies in Miami-Dade County. For example, we have Baptist Health, we have we have AIG, the Knights Foundation, we also have the Coast Guard and the Marine Corps, we also have Wells Fargo here, in addition to volunteers from the community and OLCDC.
Our work has kick-started a comprehensive transformation of the city of Opa-locka. We've strengthened the OLCDC and we've changed mindsets by working with residents to imagine what their city could become and then showing them how they can make it happen. We've brought new people to Opa-locka and we've watched as they realize that it's not a crime-ridden and blighted community, but rather it's a vibrant, lively place with a lot to offer.
I mean, the big thing that we try to talk about is that you have to change the sociology of place. That people get used to environments, and particularly people living in marginal environments, they begin to sort of think it's okay to live that way.
Right. But the work doesn't stop here. We're very proud to have partnered with OLCDC to kickstart this transformation, and we look forward to staying engaged with them as they progress through their Vision 2020 plan.